we just verify it, and we notice that everything is correct. So the password we have stored in the variable is absolutely correct with the encrypted password we have. So let's try something out and tweak out our original password from the very beginning. So this is password 123. So let's use 1234. So let's see if the hash password in the database is going to be the same with this, to ensure that our code is working perfectly and the password verify is going to give us the right output. Alright, so I've done that. I've changed it to password 123. So let's refresh and see. So if it is wrong, it's going to tell us what? Incorrect password. But if it is right, it's going to tell us correct password. So let's reload and see. Boom. So this is an incorrect password. It means that the hash password in the database here is absolutely not the same thing with the password 1234. So this is the tutorial, guys. So if you think you learned something from it, please like and subscribe to enable me to do more tutorial like this. So I'm planning to do another tutorial with this, with the HTML input, where you create an account, store the hash password into the database, log in and verify directly from the user HTML input and see and all of that. So instead of using password ID from the database, so everything will be done systematically without you getting the pass ID from the database. So then you are going to use an email to verify it and all of that. So thank you very much, guys, for sticking through to the end. So I'm going to do more of this and more PHP tutorial like this. Thank you very much, and see you some other time.